Hi everyone, and we have gotten the Black Clover leaks now, and it seems like Tabata is going like totally ham on this chapter. Like we see all the heroes, all the like Black Clover leaders, captains, characters, like, all of them in this chapter. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the video where I will be reviewing this whole chapter when it will be officially out, and like the video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more of the Black Clover fans. So let's start it. So it seems like the chapter starts like Asta cutting off the demon, and the demon body is falling down. So is Asta, and it seems like he actually deactivates his unite form because like devil is now dead. And it can be that, or it can be that his like 5 minutes are over, which seems to be not true, cause like it is very early in this arc, and we need Asta's power like for like the whole arc, cause he has to defeat so many people right now, so many devils right now. So yeah, and then we see that Asta, like just as he was like falling into in the ground, he like suddenly transported to the Spade Kingdom, and we see like two feats, and this most probably seems to be Noel and Mimosa, and or Gray. So it seemed like, and he also like said that I can smell water. So it's like took pretty while for me to understand this, like what was going on, like how he come to Spade Kingdom all of the sudden. But yeah, it seems like he's like in the Spade Kingdom, and this whole chapter is like just on like the what all is happening outside the Palace of the Spade Kingdom, and how like every citizen and every person of Spade like Clover Kingdom is actually reacting to the whole like so many devils in the wild. Then we see our whole black bull crew with like many of elves there. We see like Noel is there, Luck is there, Mimosa is there, and Gaza is there. Like this already tells that the whole full war arc is like going there, and it seems like the main focus right now will be to get it in to like rescue all the civilians, and then to get inside the castle, cause like the devil outside are not as powerful as the one inside. So like I guess someone else will be like taking care of them. We also see that whole Walto's crew is also there. So it seems like Mukasa is actually using his like snow magic to actually hide the civilians, and Waltos is using his like spiritual magic, spiritual magic, so to teleport the people to like maybe like Clover Kingdom or like other place where it is safe. So it seems like the full on rescue mission is going on. Then we also see that Seki is actually pissing, and he's like, I will create a distraction, like light up something, and create a distraction there so everyone comes towards me. And he's like, don't find me, don't find me, don't find me. So it was a fan translation, so that's why I'm like able to comprehend it that well. So then we also see that Chrismum Lion, like captain, the leader is actually there, and he's using his like salamander, his fire spirit. And so it seems like that few like the mages were having actually very problem to actually like defeat the devil. So he actually uses his fire magic, or like his fire magic, or it can be him, or it can be the elves there who actually protects the humans. So it might be elves, cause that makes like more sense on widespread, like there has been some change in them, and the human and elf relation has strengthened, so that can also be a case. So it seems like they like protected them in such a way that they were in between of the beam, but it like caused some sort of shield between them and the beam, so like yeah, they were saved. And I think that he's doing like a very great job in actually like defeating these devils, or actually distracting them using his fire spirit. And like he's like actually doing a lot here. Like these manga, this chapter is actually very good. So that's it for the spoilers for this chapter, and I think that this chapter is going to be a banger of the chapter. Like easily this will be the chapter of the week. Yeah, like even if cause One Piece chapter is not coming this week. So yeah, definitely make sure to subscribe to watch like the review I will be making for the this chapter when it will be coming out, because this looks like so good, and like the whole war arc it is showing. So I will it looks like in the next chapter we will be seeing more of Asta's more of Asta's greatness, and seeing like what he will do inside the palace, how he will go inside the palace. Because right now the major priority is to like protect the civilians. Because I think in like 2 3 chapters that will be done, and then we will see how everyone gets inside to the castle. So like I think that Noel, Asta, and Luck will go inside to the castle, and everyone will be like outside the castle and like killing these low level demon, and Asta will be there to like defeat the higher ones like the boss devils there. So yeah, that's it, and see you guys in the next one.